A hut?
Like a farmhouse.
A hut?
Hippo? Yes, we have a hippo. Rohan, can you grab me a marker, please?
No. A big hippo.
I'm saying please.
Ma, I want a big hippo.
Okay, I will get a big hippo. Okay, give me one
From
minute.
what?
From what? इसके ऊपर आपने ये दोनों टर्न किए, एक छोटे से गत्ते को टर्न किया और आपने यूं इसको लगा दिया. Is it looking nice? Ares, can you get me a marker?
It's not looking nice.
Ares, can you please get me a marker? The blue one you can get me, the big blue one.
Mama, can I put the water now?
After this you can make your, after the class you can make your dinosaur land. This can turn into a dinosaur land too. Okay, so this is our hut. We're just gonna place our hut here, and or we can place it here so it's away from the jungle, because we don't want the jungle animals to eat all these animals, right?
Mama, can you put the river now?
Not now. Can you move back, Rohan?
No.
Thank you, Ares. Bas, Chali, thank you. Watch your foot, it's hot. Now move back. Move back, guys.
Mama, he's just peeping his pants. Are you just peeping his pants, Mom?
Okay, we'll just figure that out. Ares, go out and tell Api to fix you.
Cody.
First, you go and tell Api that you need to get fixed
Of what?
of your dirty pants. Okay, guys, a very small, cute house, and then we place it here.
A big ocean.
Okay, and then we can place the horses.
What about the
What do you
volcano?
call it?
With the volcano, Mama.
We don't have a volcano, guys.
No, it's very far. A volcano that's very far.
Yes, okay. So we have our pond. Now let's come sit. We have our pond, we have our ducky. हमें sheep चाहिए. Ares, can you get the sheep for me? And we have a little cotton and wool also coming out from the sheep. Not coming out of the sheep, but all the wool, you know, the wool that you wear in winters comes out from the sheep's skin, the hair, the wool that it has. So wool is definitely here, and the horses are here, and baki, the rest of the jungle animals are here. Can I get a doggy, Ares? Can I get a doggy?
Which one?
A doggy that we can place in the farm, because farm has doggy na. Yes, farm has doggy.
No.
Yes, farm has doggy.
No.
Yes.
No.
Farmhouse doesn't have doggy.
No.
Then doggy will be so sad.
Which one?
इसके ऊपर आप कुछ भी डेकोरेशन कर सकते हैं किसी भी चीज
But
से.
I can't see the doggy.
मैंने एक ब्राउन पेपर लिया है और मैं इसको यूं कर दूंगी ताकि एक हमारी अच्छी फाइनल लुक.
The doggy. The doggy.
Where's the doggy? The small one.
I can't see.
Look hard. Look hard for it.
I can't see it.
Look hard for it.
Monkey.
The small one. ये देखें guys, this looks so cute. Our jungle and our farmhouse. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको थोड़े से इसमें हमारे पास गोट है, हमारे पास हॉर्सी है. ये देखें guys, this looks so cute. Our jungle and our farmhouse. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको थोड़े से इसमें हमारे पास गोट है, हमारे पास हॉर्सी है. Where is the doggy, Aris? Where is the doggy? Here is the doggy.
No, this is a fox. Mama, I'm making
No.
Dino Land.
Well, fox and doggies are from the same family, so maybe he could be here. No, Rohan, don't do that. And our horses can be here, and our sheep, and our baby sheep and baby goats can be here. So goat, sheep, doggy, ducks and horses.
What are those?
Look, yes, what? And what else?
Mom, why this?
What else can be in the...
Why this to this? Why this is to this?
Because they are his babies now.
But Mama,
Yes.
this not run from lion.
They will run from the lion.
No.
No, exactly, no. So bear also and Barasingha and small bear and baby giraffe is also in the jungle. Tiger, Aris, where is the tiger? In the jungle or in the farm?
Mom,
Hmm?
when the lion come closer,
Hmm.
they will run away.
When the lion comes closer, they will run away. Okay, guys, look, our... Oh no, is the lion coming into... So we should quickly make a fence here so the lion doesn't come, right? And eat all the sheep, right? We should fence the farm. We need to protect all the animals. So we quickly fence it. Good idea, Aris. Otherwise the lion would have eaten all the sheep, right? And all the goats.
The lion takes the goats.
The lion is about to eat all the goats. We should quickly fix it.
The lion
Wait.
The lion come.
Now the lion won't be able to come.
The lion,
Yay!
the
So
lion
guys,
jump up.
Rohan, can you come
And it
quickly?
saw one deer lie down and it started to
Yes,
kick
yes.
it and it got it.
Yes, okay. Rohan, come quickly. We are finishing the class. I want you to help me. Come quickly so you can then make your dinosaur world. You don't want to?
The
No,
puppy
it's so sad.
is much stronger. No,
Okay, can I have the cow? Both the cows. Okay, Aris, can you tell me what are the animals you can see on the farm?
Mama,
First you tell me.
Yes, strongly. No, the say is strongly. Who? Yes, you.
Bakri is stronger or Sher is stronger? Which one is stronger? Okay guys, so I'm going to do a quick revision of all the animals that you can see on the farm and the things you can see on the farm. So a farmhouse, a tree, some cows, एक sheep, एक बकरी भी थी हमारी, वो भाग गई कहीं. Bakri, goat, horses, a pond for the duckies, and this side is the jungle. So jungle has giraffes, zebras, cheetahs, well, not camels so much, but lions and buffaloes and bears and elephants
And wolves?
and wolves. Good.
And the goats.
Goats are supposed to be in the farm.
No, Mama. Some goats are not in the farm.
Some goats
Give
are-
me it.
You asked me nicely.
Give me it, please.
Okay,
I
guys.
goats. Mama's right. Goats live in the farm.
Live in the
You're
farm.
wrong.
And we have some wool also that was taken out by the farm, Old McDonald's, and then Old McDonald's? No.
Old McDonald's.
Old McDonald's lived on the farm. और ये हमारी wool है. तो ये हमारा पूरा farm house और jungle complete है. This was our fun activity for today. I hope you enjoyed it. We thoroughly did. And we even put up some more fences so the lion could not eat our goats. ठीक है ना? I hope ये आपको activity करने में भी मज़ा आए अपने बच्चों के साथ. खड्डा मार्केट में पारस है, which is an amazing store because it caters to a lot of these kind of things. तो आप प्लीज़ वहाँ जाके अपनी ये करें और अपनी ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाएं. Yes, you have to wait. Just give me 1 minute. Yes, tell me.
Where's the other goat?
Where's the other goat? Here is the other goat. Okay, guys. So I hope you had fun. This was a fun project, and we'll keep doing such fun projects further on. And yeah, so this was our farm and jungle project. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, I'll see you. और फिर से हम कुछ मजे का करेंगे बच्चों के साथ. Take care. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, Rohan. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Aris. खुदा हाफिज. खुदा हाफिज.